Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 31,290. It made high of 31,407 and low of 31,273. Currently it is trading 31,294. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. Dow Jones support stands at 31,200. Dow Jones resistance stands at 31,420. Currently Dow Jones is trading in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Dow Jones break 31,200 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around 31,000 and 30,750. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently Nasdaq is trading 13,670. It made high of 13,706 and low of 13,662. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. Nasdaq support stands at 13,620. Nasdaq resistance at 13,750. Currently Nasdaq is also in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Nasdaq breaks 620 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Nasdaq to test around 13,500 and 13,400. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 3907. It made high of 3920 and low of 3905. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. S&P support stands at 3898. S&P 500 resistance stands at 3926. Currently S&P is also in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if S&P break 3898 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect S&P to test around 3880 and 3850. Now let's move on to gold prices. This is gold hourly chart. It made high of 1848.50 and low 1829.90. Currently it is trading almost 1842. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Gold support stands at 1830 today. Gold resistance stands at 1862. Currently gold is trading in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if gold break 1830 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect gold to test around 1820 and 1800. Currently it is trading in positive zone, so I will not recommend you to sell. But if you are holding position in buy, then I will not recommend you to hold any position below 1830. Now let's move on to silver. After that we will see euro and Bitcoin. This is silver hourly chart. Currently silver is trading 2750. It made high of 2780 and currently trading 2750. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Silver support stands at 27.20. Silver resistance stands at 2792. Currently silver is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if silver break 2720 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect silver to test around 2680 and 2640. Now let's move on to euro. After that we will see Bitcoin. This is euro chart. Currently it is trading almost 2100. It made high of 2116. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Euro support stands at 2060. Euro resistance stands at 2130. Currently euro is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if euro break 2060 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect euro to test around 2020 and 1950. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. As already stated yesterday, after Tesla's buying, Bitcoin is hitting new highs. Today it made high of $48,200. Currently it is trading 45,500 and made low of $45,050. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Bitcoin support stands at $44,300. Bitcoin resistant at $48,200. Currently Bitcoin is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. For regular update, consider subscribing by pressing the red subscribe button. For my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my WhatsApp number in description. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.